This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing Bgsi and assembling what you need: Roblox login, 2FA, and optional proxy. Once installed, open Bgsi and allow permissions. This ensures it can manage sessions. Make sure you use the recommended version to avoid compatibility issues. Next, place your credentials and proxy file into the working folder so the manager can import them. Finally, enable logging and test with one account to verify everything connects before proceeding to bulk actions. Once done with setup, import accounts via CSV, making sure headers match Bgsi required fields and encoding is UTF-8. You'll configure concurrency and pool size to balance speed and detection risk. Lower concurrency reduces bans. Then map automation tasks: login, inventory sync, profile edits, so Bgsi knows what to run per account. Also set retry logic and delays between actions to mimic human behavior. After configuration, run a short batch to confirm tasks, execute. To finish, launch the full batch and monitor progress closely. Watch individual logs for failures and session drops. If you hit CAPTCHAs or temporary bans, pause the run, rotate proxies, lower concurrency, and revalidate problem accounts to prevent cascading failures. Once accounts complete tasks, export session tokens and backup updated credentials securely so you can restore sessions fast. Finally, schedule regular syncs and small test runs to catch issues early. This keeps operations smooth and reduces the chance of mass disruptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.